How to rent movie on Amazon Prime. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you the ways on how can you rent movie on Amazon Prime. To rent a movie on Amazon Prime, you could follow these steps. So what you have to do is, first thing first, you could rent a movie from Amazon Prime on your computer or through a Prime Video app. Now here, what you have to do is you want to visit Prime Video from a computer or type in amazon.prime.com and log into your account. After which you want to locate the movie that you want to rent it out. Then on the next field, select the rent option that correspond to the quality you're interested in, UHD, HD or SD. Depending on the device and a movie, this button might be called rent movie or rent. Select more purchase option to see all the options as well. Lastly, confirm by selecting continue or confirm rental movies, and that's it. You could start the movie immediately by selecting watch now. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.